when you carry Garga, you're carrying everything about creativity, everything about power, everything about God in your hands. That power has the ability to do anything. Cure you from ills, cure you from poor times, challenges that you will face. All of this can be easily remedied, completely cured by unconditional, unquestionable belief in our Adipati. So to recognize that, when we are doing the prayer, when we are going from the ground down, Kali temple and our temple down here, always have the name of the mother on your lips. Om Shakti.
Ra Shakti.
Om Shakti.
Ra Shakti.
Om Shakti. Now see how many of you are feeling shy already. If I said that here, we should be this tent should be lifted up with the sound, because you are reverberating the name of the mother. It must reverberate. When the bhajan groups are playing, you must overdo the bhajan group. In fact, the bhajan group might feel soft in comparison when you are saying the name of the mother. When you do that, the energy of the mother flows into you. From your gargan into your body, it flows everything that you are challenged with. Everything is with there. So please, when you walk around all this, the Gurus here, the learned people here, they will say Om Shakti. Please repeat Parashakti loud and clear. Don't feel shy. This is God we're talking about. This is the most powerful being in the universe. Do you know at the university we have people with PhD degrees and so forth? All of them belong to some temple, some church, some mosque. Why? Because when they go to that level of knowledge, they understand how much they don't know, not how much they know. They understand how much they don't know and how this knowledge comes from some supreme being. So they recognize the supreme being, and they don't have any bashfulness, any problem whatsoever, giving themselves completely to the supreme being. So do that, and you will be truly blessed. Om Shakti. Om Shakti. Om Shakti.
Guru, you should have said they must sound louder than you with this PA system. So let's go one more time. You say the full verse yourself. Om Shakti.
Ra Shakti.
Om Shakti.
Ra Shakti.
We're waiting for you, Maggie. Thanks for delaying us. Right. Go, because you came late, you must go right to the end there. Right, so here's some house rules. Many of you have done this prayer before, and therefore you know how we proceed. So there will be several prayers that will take place in order to complete this particular prayer. So as you come forward to do the first prayer, you'll complete and you'll go around to the end of the queue and you'll join the queue again. So if you are front, it doesn't mean you are number one. Every one of you is number one, right? So you all have a chance. And that is the beauty of how we do what we do here. We've increased the number of altars from 10 last year or 11 to 12, so that everybody has a fair chance of doing the prayer properly, and nobody's going to rush you. However, we all need to be reasonable so that we move the process along. Once we are done here, and all that will be under the control of the Guru, we will then proceed to the devotees that engage in trance or go into a transcendental mode. You are aware of that. We're going to do it right there where we are. Therefore, we widen the queues as well. You'll see that. And so we'll go in and we'll specify a time so that we can get into that mode. When the Guru says we are ready, then we lift up the garlands and we'll start with the temple garlands. We will need, before we move, 3 people per altar, and you'll be led by your leader, our assistant priest. So the queue that leaves first will go wait for us at the ground. Remind this marquee. You wait at the ground, the Guru will do a prayer to enter the ground for our safety and for blessings. The next area that we will light the campfire again is at the intersection that leads us to Kali Temple. Again, for the same purposes. And then you'll have Alan standing at the Kali temple. He will guide you into the Kali temple, row at a time. Because the place is small, if all of you get in, you won't be able to go in and come out. So you wait your turn, stay in your groups. Please. This is not 1 and that's 12. That can be 1 and this can be 12. It doesn't matter. You stay in your groups. The important thing is to get out of Sipo Setu Road so that we are in the smaller Sugarman Way. So we get into the temple. We are humbly requesting our devotees. There is no need for you to go inside the Kali temple. What you will do is, 1 or 2 of you do that. You will break the momentum of the group and you will delay the process. So if you do that, you stay there. You talk with Mother Kali, she'll sort you out. The rest of you will exit the temple and come to the Mariamman temple. Auntie Neela and their volunteers will help receive you.
Don't rush.
Don't rush. My videographer says don't rush. So that happens. You can't go around Lord Ganesha. You will bow in front of him as you walk past him. You'll go around the temple. The English word for that is circumambulate the temple. And only the temple gatherings, the 3 here. And the Guru will explain to you. The Khalsa and the Ganesha will go to the Ganesha temple. The 3 that you see in front of you. The temple gatherings will go inside the temple. The rest of you, once you go around the temple, you'll come back here and place your gatherings to complete the prayer. Once the prayer is done, the Guru will give you that indication. Some of you will be accommodated in the hall, and some of you are under this fresh air, sunlight, where the mother is. Mother is not inside the hall, so don't rush to the hall. Right? She's talking here outside for all of us. And then the meals will be served. So we've got 4 queues. The first queue, the nearest one to us, is for the devotees and their family. We have a small crowd today, so it's manageable. And then you've got the other 3. You get the same food in all 4 queues. Right? All 4 queues. So we have tables will be set up here under this marking, so you can sit here and have your meals. Just one other thing. Today, the school celebrates Mandela Day, and there's a sponsor that's painting the school, so all the kids are out. Let's respect the kids. This is their ground, and manage a process. We got our people to out-manage the whole process. And any one of the kids get in the way, just bear with it. After all, it's their property, not ours. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, devotees, we wish you well in your prayer. Okay, one commercial note. On the 9th of August, given that this is the Mother's Temple, right? And we honor women, and that we are able to glorify all the achievement of our great-grannies, grannies, mothers, sisters. So on the 9th of August, which is National Women's Day, it falls on a Friday. It's a public holiday. We unveiled the bust of Dr. Ganu. If you don't know her full name, her name is Kesavan Gunaratnam Naidu. She deliberately leaves the name Naidu out because she wants to fight the caste system. If you've got any ideas of caste system in your head, dispel that thing, Mother is coming for you. But there is no higher caste and lower caste. That all disappeared. And let it be there. As a far distant, horrible memory of what happened to all of us. So we celebrate her life as a memorial. We unveil her bust, and that will take place. We'll give you the pamphlets so that you can be reminded. That will take place on the 9th of August at the temple between 10 o'clock and 12:30. And we serve sumptuous lunch again. You're never short of food when you come to the Mother's Temple, right? So we do that. And we'd like to see as many of you there as possible. Those of you who live in Johannesburg and other cities, if you can't come down, it's fine. We'll send it through Facebook and live streaming. So with that, we'll get ready. You're also invited to come here on Sunday. in the morning to witness the prayer. And then we have the Lord Monthly Reading prayer at 3 o'clock in the evening. And we also have a cultural show between 11 and 3 p.m. on Sunday. So again, we invite all of you to come and join us in that prayer. So with that, devotees, thank you very much. I know you're waiting for the Guru to get going.
बंदं समर्पयामि ओम धूपदीपं समर्पयामि ओम श्री महाविरुद्ध पूजा में समर्पयामि. Okay, let's light the camphor to start up the prayer to Lord Ganesha and to the Agarbatti. But just give me an indication when your camphor and Agarbatti are lit. All those who got the Agarbatti, please turn the Agarbatti 3 times forward and 3 times up and down for Lord Ganesha. Om Suklam Bharadaram Vishnu Sasivarnam Sadarpujam Prasanna Dhyayet. Om Sarvavigna Prashantaye. Gajananam Bhuta Ganati Sevikam Kavitvigam Palasara Bhakshidam Umasudam Shoka Vinasakaranam Namami Vigneshwaram Pada Pankajam. Om Shri Mahaganesaya Vigna Vinayaka Paramanikkhalam Bodhara Devaya. Om Shri Maha Adi Parashaktyamman Pujami Adi Masam Pujami Prapasayam Mariamman Komal Kodunam Namasya. As you are standing, sitting, please say out your name and your surname loudly and clearly. Om Shri Maha Mariamman Devi Maha Pujami Maha Naivedyam Samarpiyami. Om Dasangam Budulokitam Sugatim Sasamanokaram. Om Shri Dupayam Adrityayami. Om Dipayam Dasayami. Om Divartanam Samarpiyami. After a droplet of water 3 times for Ganesha. Om Ganga Jamuna Kaveri Saraswati Sindhu Godavari Narmada Tirtham Samarpiyami. Okay, now we can start the prayer to Lord Ganesha. As you know, everybody will come forward for petals for Lord Ganesha. It should go on the side. You will come to the offering. Everybody will come through. Please offer the petals and then go back to the queue and then we'll do the Kalpan prayer afterwards. Okay? Om Vinayagaya Namaha. Om Vignarajaya Namaha. Om Gananathaya Namaha. Om Ganapataye Namaha. Om Ganeshavaraya Namaha. Om Gauripatraya Namaha. Om Sankarajaya Namaha. Om Abhyaye Namaha. Om Dukkhaye Namaha. Om Dakshaye Namaha. Om Adiyakshaye Namaha. Om Vijapriyaye Namaha. Om Agni Garbhijate Namaha. Om Indasri Pradaya Namaha. Om Vani Pradaya Namaha. Om Abhyayaye Namaha. Om Sarvasiddhi Pradaya Namaha. Om Sarvatanayaye Namaha. Om Sarvari Priyaye Namaha. Om Sarvatmakaye Namaha. Om Shruttikatre Namaha.
Om Devaye Namaha. Om Anekachittaye Namaha. Om Sivaye Namaha. Om Suttaye Namaha. Om Buddhi Priyaye Namaha. Om Samkaye Namaha. Om Gajananaya Namaha. Om Vaimetriyaye Namaha. Om Nistudyaye Namaha. Om Bhakta Vigna Vinasanaye Namaha. Om Veshasandaya Namaha. Om Chaturbahove Namaha. Om Chaduraye Namaha. Om Sakti Sanyuttaye Namaha. Om Lambodaraye Namaha. Om Supakamyaye Namaha. Om Halaye Namaha. Om Brahma Viruttamaye Namaha. Om Kalaye Namaha. Om Grahapataye Namaha. Om Kaminiye Namaha. Om Somasuyagani Namaha. Om Pasankusaraye Namaha. Om Chandaye Namaha. Om Gunanidaye Namaha. Om Niranjanaye Namaha. Om Akamashaye Namaha. Om Swavyasittaye Namaha. Om Siddharchi Padam Bhujaye Namaha. Om Bijapurapahashkastaye Namaha. Om Varadaye Namaha. Om Sasvadaye Namaha. Om Krudine Namaha. Om Vijapriyaya Namaha. Om Vitabaya Namaha. Om Gadine Namaha. Om Chakline Namaha. Om Ikshuchapitrade Namaha. Om Svidayaya Namaha. Om Ajaye Namaha. Om Upalakaraya Namaha. Om Svipadaye Namaha. Om Studiharshitaye Namaha. Om Punadri Bhetri Namaha. Om Jadilaye Namaha. Om Gandhaye Namaha. Om Papa Harine Namaha. Om Yekakantaya Namaha. Om Vakratundaye Namaha. Om Sri Mahaganeshaya Vigna Vinayaka Paramanatra Lambodara Devaya. Om Nanavita Mantra Parimala Pushpani Samadhikami. Take up the cancer, let's do the water. Only in front. You don't have to light the cancer at the Karagams, we'll do it for the other samples. Please turn the camp for Ganesha. Om Dasangam Kubilopitam Sugatim Sasamanokaram. Om Shri Rupayam Adripyami. Om Dipayam Dasayami. Om Dhuva Deepam Samatiyami. Now for 1 drop of the water, 3 times for Ganesha. Om Ganga Jamuna Kaveri Saraswati Sindhu Godavari Narmada Kirtam Samarpiyami. Om Suddha Bhuse Jalaprajakyam Samarpiyami. Om Niranjanam Palli Tirtam Samarpiyami. Okay, please put your hands together. We're going to start with the colors and prayer, but first let's do the shloka. Om Puriyakon Vepohita Pugaliyakon Kajal Pochi Ariyim Isai Kalmidapil Anenda Piranadi Potri Vari Tirunavalur Vantonda Padam Potri Uri Mari Tiruvada Vurar Tirutal Potri Adam Parivela Iseva Yana Padam Panivaya Uvai மாமுகனைச் செருவில் சாடும் தனியானை சகோதரனே ஸ்ரீநாராயண ஜெய நாராயண ஜெய ஜெய நாராயண நாராயண ஸ்ரீநாராயண ஜெய நாராயண ஜெய ஜெய நாராயண ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயண திருச்சிற்றம்பலம். Now we're going to continue with mantras with the word poetry. Whenever I use the word poetry, please repeat the word poetry, and for 1 or 2 petals for the Kalasam, and then please join the queue again. After we finish the Kalasam prayer, we'll perform the Havan, okay? So it's going to be quite a few mantras. We all will continue. ஓம் கற்றவர்கள் உண்ணும் கதியே போற்றி. ஓம் கடலடைந்தா செல்லும் கதியே போற்றி. ஓம் அற்றவர்க்கு காரமுதமானாய் போற்றி. ஓம் அல்லலாறு தரியனை ஆண்டாய் போற்றி. ஓம் மற்றொருவிர் ஒப்பில்லா மைந்தா போற்றி. ஓம் வானவர்கள் போற்றும் மறந்தே போற்றி. ஓம் செற்றவர்த்தம் புறமறித்து சிவனே போற்றி. ஓம் திருமூலட்டானனே போற்றி போற்றி. ஓம் செங்கரனே நின்பாதம் போற்றி போற்றி. ஓம் சதாசிவனே நின்பாதம் போற்றி போற்றி. ஓம் பொங்கரவர் நின்பாதம் போற்றி போற்றி. ஓம் புண்ணியனே நின்பாதம் போற்றி போற்றி. ஓம் அங்கமல தயினோடும் ஆளும் காணாய் அனகுருவாய் நின்பாதம் போற்றி போற்றி. ஓம் செங்கமல திருப்பாதம் போற்றி போற்றி. ஓம் திருமூலட்டானனே போற்றி போற்றி. ஓம் வம்புலவு கொன்றை சடையாய் போற்றி. ஓம் வான்பிறையும் வளரும் வைத்தாய் போற்றி. ஓம் கொம்பனையே முன்னடியால் கூழா போற்றி. ஓம் குழக்கடலால் குற்றுதைத்தே கோவே போற்றி. ஓம் நம்புவர கரும்பொருளே போற்றி போற்றி. ஓம் ஆவேதம் ஆரங்கம் ஆனாய் போற்றி. ஓம் செங்கோனே மரகதமே மணியே போற்றி. ஓம் திருமூலட்டானனே போற்றி போற்றி. ஓம் பிரம்மந்தம் சிரமறிந்த பெரியோய் போற்றி. ஓம் பெண் உறவா தான் புறவாய் நின்றாய் போற்றி. ஓம் கரணாங்கு முக்கன்னம் உடையாய் போற்றி. ஓம் காதலி பார்க்காற்று எரியாய் போற்றி. ஓம் அருமந்து தேவருக்கு அரசே போற்றி. ஓம் அன்றாருக்கு ஐஞாங்கு தோளும் தாளும் சிரம் தரித்து சேவடியாய் போற்றி போற்றி. ஓம் திருமூலட்டானனே போற்றி போற்றி. ஓம் ஈசானாய வாமதேவாய அகோராய போற்றி. Please, assistant, please, children, please continue with petals just for a few more mantras. ஓம் அறிவன கரிவாம் அரியே போற்றி. ஓம் செவித்தூராய் கண்ணீர் திருமால் போற்றி. ஓம் ஆதிரு மகர்சா மார்பா போற்றி. ஓம் ஆதியம் அந்தமும் அற்றாய் போற்றி. ஓம் உயிரை உடலாய் உறவாய் போற்றி. ஓம் அஞ்சன் வண்ணே மாலே போற்றி. ஓம் ஸ்ரீனிவாசாய் போற்றி. ஓம் ஸ்ருங்கார மூர்த்தையே போற்றி. ஓம் தசவதாராயை போற்றி. ஓம் நரசிம்ம தேவாய போற்றி. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ ரங்கநாத சுவாமினே போற்றி. ஓம் ஹரி ஓம் நமோ நாராயணாய போற்றி. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ மகாவிஷ்ணு தேவனே போற்றி. ஓம் ஆரமுகாய போற்றி. ஓம் சரவணா பவாய போற்றி. ஓம் கார்த்திகேயாய போற்றி. ஓம் குமராய போற்றி. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ சக்தி பாலகனே போற்றி. ஓம் ஆஞ்சநேயாய போற்றி. ஓம் ஹனுமாத்மனே போற்றி. ஓம் வாயுபுத்ராய போற்றி. ஓம் நேத்யாய போற்றி. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ மகாவீராமே போற்றி. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ 9 நவக்கிரக மூர்த்திகளை போற்றி. ஓம் சூரிய தேவாயை போற்றி. ஓம் சந்திர தேவாயை போற்றி. ஓம் அங்காரீஸ்வராயை போற்றி. ஓம் ருதீஸ்வராயை போற்றி. ஓம் குருதேவாயை போற்றி. ஓம் சுக்கிர மூர்த்தையை போற்றி. ஓம் ஈஸ்வர சனீஸ்வராயை போற்றி. ஓம் ராகு தேவாயை போற்றி. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கேது மூர்த்தையை போற்றி. ஓம் பஞ்சபூதங்களை போற்றி. ஓம் அக்னி தேவாயை போற்றி. ஓம் வாயு தேவாயை போற்றி. ஓம் ஆகாஷ்டவாணியை போற்றி. ஓம் கங்கா தேவியை போற்றி. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ பூமா தேவியை போற்றி. ஓம் அஷ்டமூர்த்தகளை போற்றி. ஓம் பாலடித் அஷ்டகனை போற்றி. ஓம் அஷ்டதிக் பாலகனை போற்றி. ஓம் திரிதேவர்களை போற்றி. ஓம் நட்சத்திரங்களை போற்றி. Put your hands together of all the petals. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ 30 முக்கோடி தேவர்கள் நனாவித்த மந்திர பரிமலர் புஷ்பாணி சமர்ப்பியாமே. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கலசம் பூஜாமே சமர்ப்பியாமே. Pick up the coconuts, turn the coconut 3 times. For Lord Ganesha, the kalasam forward and 3 times up and down. Om Sri Mahapujave Om Namah Shivaya Ishanaya Vamadevaya Agoraya Tatpurushaya Sadasiva. Om Sri Mahavishnu Lakshmipade Krishna Deva Narasimha Deva Sri Ranganath Swami. Om Mahaganesaya Om 30 Kodi Devata Mahaprasadam Samarpiyame. Om Yalani Tanga Prasadam Samarpiyame. 3 drops of water on the coconut. Yep, and then break the coconut, remove the top, the kurumis, and bring the coconut back and place it in front, one on either side of Lord Ganesha and the kalasam. Everybody son, yeah, please remove the kurumi, the top of the coconut. Okay, once you do that, let's turn. Just let me know when everybody is done. Number 12, let me know if you're done. Then we will turn light camphor. We're going to turn Divatne now for the kalasam. Okay, light the camphor. Let me know when you will it, and then we'll turn the Divatne, the deepam for the kalasam. Om Dasangam Kukilopitam Sugatim Sasamanokaram. Om Shri Dupayam Agripiyami. Om Deepayam Dasayami. Om Duvartanam Divartanam Samarpiyami. Om Karpura Niranjanam Samarpiyami. Also water for the kalasam 3 times, 3 drops of water. Om Ganga Jamuna Kaveri Saraswati Sindhu Godavari Narmada Tirtham Samarpiyami. Om Suddhabhusaistanam Samarpiyami. Om Niranjanam Samarpiyami. Okay, now we need to start the harvest. So each priest will put betel nut on the hand. Now if there are children, please assist them. Peel the banana, don't eat it. Place it on the betel and betel nut. Okay, just let me know when you're done. Keep the betel nut on your hand like this here. And take the banana and then we'll put a small piece, because it's the children who are acting the camphor. Please put a small piece of camphor. Actually, let's do this here. We'll offer the betel nut and banana into the oven, and then we'll put the camphor and light, okay? So we don't burn anybody. Like this. As when I tell you to, I'm going to start with the shloka for Lord Ganesha. Then when we do that, then you will offer the offering, the betel nut and banana into the oven. Let's start. Oh. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Gurume Devo Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Gurume Devo Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. For it, Om Sri Mahaganesaya Vishnu Vinayaka Paramanaka Rambhodara Devaya Om Sri Mahashakti Homam Mahaparashakti Yagam Mahaparashti Yajna Om Sri Mahaprarthanai Samarpiyami Om Sri Mahaprasadam Samarpiyami. Please light a candle and put it onto the banana. Okay, take a little bit of Havan Samagri, just a little bit in your fingers, those who are standing in the front, children, and I'm going to recite the shloka and then we'll offer it. Okay? Om Sundari Saundari Nirendari Manonmani Sarva Mangala Mangalye Sive Sarvartha Sadige Saranye Triambigaye Devi Gauri Narayani Namastude Namo Namaha Om Sri Mahashakti Icha Shakti Kriya Shakti Jnana Shakti Om Sri Mauna Shakti Shiva Shakti Om Sri Mahadevi Naivedyam Samarpiyami. Offer it into the fire. Now we're going to light some pieces of camphor and place it so that the Havan commences. We light the woods as such, so please do that. Light some camphor. Om Maha Agni Murtaye Samarpiyami. Om Jodhi Agniye Samarpiyami. Om Deepa Agniye Samarpiyami. Om Sri Maha Agniye Samarpiyami. Can we offer some ghee into the fire? I'm sure you have ghee next to you. Can we offer a bit of ghee? Om Aganita Jyotira Jyotira Aganita Shwaha. Om Sri Maha Agni Murtaye Shwaha. Om Sri Agni Devaye Samarpiyami. Okay, if the Havans are all lit and burning nicely now, we're going to start with the prayer. I'm going to start with the mantras. The first few will be with the word poetry. Then I'll switch from poetry to Shwaha. Whenever I use the word poetry or Shwaha, please offer the Samagri into the fire. Please, ladies and gentlemen, again, remember the Havan is one of the most powerful means of communication we have with God. It opens a pathway, performed properly in accordance with the scriptures. The Yajna of the Yajna, Havan, opens a direct pathway between us and the spiritual plane. So because of that, you have to treat it with utmost respect and care. So when you're offering the Havan Samagri, imagine you're offering your very old grandparents something to eat. You won't take the food and throw it into their mouths. You'll offer it with lots of care and love. So that's essentially what we need to do here. Offer the Havan Samagri with so much of devotion, so much of care, and then don't dust your hands into the Havan. Offer it, you can dust your hands outside if you want to. When you finish, then please go back and join the queue at the end, okay? So as I start with the word poetry, Shwaha, you will continue with that. Please, and people at the children and the ladies at the fire, please will continue for every mantra, okay? Om Tirunivanayaji Devi Potri. Om Tarandukurume Gauriye Potri. Om Mangala Nayaji Mamani Potri. Om Yendam Irendu Inpuru Potri. Om Idane Nayaji Indai Potri. Om Nalluve Naradum Nadiye Potri. Om Yave Pomori Yaye Potri. Om Pere Vayatine Petroi Potri. Om Parvali Nayagi பார்ப்பதி போற்றி. ஓம் சூக்கோலம் துடக்கோலம் தோற்றினாய்
She didn't have a bit leave in her packet. Right in the front. This girl, right? Don't
மணமணி போற்றி. ஓம் காளியம்பிகாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் லலிதாம்பிகைஸ்வரியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ராஜராஜேஸ்வரியாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் திரிபுர சுந்தரியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ திரிசூலி தேவியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ மூகாம்பிகாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் அகிலாண்டேஸ்வரியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் அங்காளீஸ்வரியாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் காளிகா தேவியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் நவதுர்கை அம்மனே ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ஈஷா சக்தியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் பிரியா சக்தியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ஞான சக்தியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் மௌன சக்தியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் சிவசக்தியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் மகிஷாசூரமர்தினியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் நவசக்தியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ஸ்ரீயாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் உமாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் பார்வத்யை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் பத்ராயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் சர்வாணி ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் விஜயாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ஜெயாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் வாணியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் சர்வக்கதாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் கௌரியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் பாரத்யை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் கமலப்பிரியாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் சரஸ்வதியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் கமலாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் மாயாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் மாதங்கியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் அபராயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் அஜாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் சாஹம்பரியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் சிவாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் சங்கியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் குண்டல்யை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் வைஷ்ணவியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் பிரியாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ஸ்ரீயாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் சந்திரியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் அருணாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் கிரிஜாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் சுபகாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் அம்பிகாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் தாராயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் பத்மவத்தியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ஹம்சாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் பத்மநாபாசகோதரியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் அபர்ணாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் லலிதாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் தாத்ரியாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் குமாரியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் சிகிவாகினியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் சாம்பவியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ஈச்சா சக்தியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் துர்கா லக்ஷ்மி சரஸ்வதி தேவிகள் ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் நாத வினோதினியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் நாத ரூபிணியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ராஜராஜேஸ்வரியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் விஜயாம்பிகாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் லலிதாம்பிகைஸ்வரியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ மகாமாரியம்மனே ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ புத்துமா தேவியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ நாகேஸ்வரி தேவியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ மகாசக்தி தேவியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ மகா உமா மகேஸ்வரியை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் பஞ்சபூதங்களை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் அக்னி தேவாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் சூரிய தேவாயை ஸ்வாஹா. ஓம் 9 நவக்கிரக மூர்த்திகளை ஸ்வாஹா. Om Surya Devaya Swaha, Om Chandira Devaya Swaha, Om Ankarishwaraya Swaha, Om Bhutiswaraya Swaha, Om Gurudevaya Swaha, Om Sukira Murtaye Swaha, Om Isvara Sanisvaraya Swaha, Om Raghudevaya Swaha, Om Sri Keda Murtaye Swaha, Om Panchabhutangale Swaha, Om Akali Devaya Swaha, Om Vayu Devaya Swaha, Om Agasthavaniye Swaha, Om Ganga Deviye Swaha, Om Sri Bhuma Deviye Swaha, Om Ashtamurtagale Swaha, Om Baladik Ashtagane Swaha, Om Ashtadik Balagane Swaha, Om Tididevargale Swaha, Om Nakshatirangale Swaha, Om Devati Devane Swaha, Om Triyamurti Devargo Swaha. Just take a little in your hands and offer without dusting your hands or shaking hands in the fire. Everybody's finished, right? Everybody has an opportunity to perform the Om Sri Muppada Mukkodi Devargal Mahashakti Adi Parashakti Deviye Naivedyam Mantrangal Pujangal Samatpiyame. Om Sri Mahaprasadam Samatpiyame. Om Shakti. Om Shakti. Om Shakti. Okay, please take the limes in your hand. Okay, hold it back here. Hold it in your hands, both your hands, and when I tell you to, you're going to offer it into the fire. Please don't throw it. If you're having difficulty offering it, then one of the adults will assist you. Om Sri Mahashakti, Ija Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Vanpada Shakti, Nava Shakti.